Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one done-for-you business using my lead gen secrets, day 23. Alright? Now, so before we get into it, let's talk about why I like promoting the $25 business. Simply because it's a funnel builder. It's a very elusive funnel builder that doesn't have any tricks up its sleeve when it sells you it for $25 a month for the most part. There's a lot of other stuff that comes with it as well, but mainly you get a funnel builder, something that you need if you're going to be a business owner as well. It's very easy to use funnel builder too. As I play with a lot of funnel builders, let me tell you something, it's one of the best, easiest to use. I haven't had no issues with it, and it's my favorite one, to be honest, out of all the ones I don't play with. To compare, the most popular funnel builder, ClickFunnels, charge $91 a month, and there's hidden things you can't do, like you only can do a certain amount of funnels, and only a certain amount of people can show up on your funnel, like can click on your funnel and they'll get to your funnel. Like after a certain amount of people do that, your funnel dies until you upgrade to the $200 something one a month. And it's no tricks like that with this funnel here. You get everything. You can make as many funnels as you want, so on and so forth. You know what I mean? I'm personally, the only thing I really want them to do is build an email service. That's what I want them to do. Then they'd be truly like offhand, off brand. Won't need no email. That'd be great. That's the only thing I want. I don't know how much they charge for it. Maybe like $50 a month or something like that. And we get 40 when we promote it. But man, you have that together, an email service and the funnel builder, all together in one system, and just have it all added up. And that's what I think they should do. But that's just me talking. But anyway, guys, cause I don't know all the ins and outs of how to build a funnel and stuff like that when it comes to like building an email service for people to use effectively. So I don't know how to actually do that. But anyway, the second reason, I'm going on a tangent, I'm sorry about that. The second reason I like promoting it, because of its affiliate system. I'm getting back to it. The affiliate system, 80% commissions monthly, recurring. That means you get 80% when they first sell. You get 80% on when they stay in the system over and over and over again, which is really great because that means it's a way to build your income. You know what I mean? So you don't necessarily, it don't matter how many sales you get a month, as long as you keep getting sales, it'll add up eventually. So I could stay getting like 5 sales every month, right? I get more than that, I think, but I could say I get 5 sales every month, and then next month these people stay in the system. You see what I'm saying? I make $100, and then I get another 5 sales next month. I'm getting $200 every month at that point. You see what I'm saying? It slowly builds up. That's why sales are great, but it's much more effective. You know what I mean? Make a lot more money. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let's see if we got a sale here. It looks like we did get a sale. Oh, let's refresh it, see what's going on. Now it looks like we got a sale, but let me say this. This is a recurring sale here. This is a rebuild, so we did not get a sale yesterday. This is just some last month. Okay, guys? So it's not a sale, which is absolutely fine. But you see what I mean when I say this is you building up income here. You know what I mean? I'm building up income. I'm getting sales from something I made a sale on like last month or a month before, whatever it may be. And yeah, it's slowly going up like that, and I'm making more money because of it, which is really great. A lot of these are recurring sales too, so on and so forth. So it's just building up slowly. And that's what I wanted to tell people, show people that it's slowly building up, and people staying in the system. Once they stay in the system, it slowly builds up. You start making a lot of money, like I made $1,100 $52 so far in the last I think it's been about 2 months since I've been in this system. So I'm making a lot of money, guys, already, and I just started, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go on to the My Lead Gen secrets here. We're gonna go ahead and select this. Now we just gotta pick an email we already done written. We don't read a bunch of them. We're gonna go with let's go with, I ain't did this one in a while. I'm leaning towards this one or this one. One of these two would work pretty well. We'll go with this one. You see how short it is? That's so important. So if you want to copy it, just pause it when, you pause it right here, guys. Then I'm gonna scroll down. You can pause it right there. You can just write everything like that. So that's simple to do enough. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time people check their emails, you know what I mean? Depending on the person. And yeah, let's send the email. I think that's about it. Make sure you check and see if your link works. I know mine works because I've already done this before, but just in case. So we're gonna send the email here. It's very easy to make these emails, but just in case you don't feel like doing it, I got you. Like, you just copy from what I'm doing, pause the video and copy it. That's all you gotta do, guys. And that's all there is to it, man. All the links are in the description below. You want to sign in with me, keep on this journey and make a YouTube. Like I stated before, you can do exactly what I'm doing, guys. Do exactly what I'm doing, you'll get sales. One way or another, YouTube channel, the My Lead Gen secret system, one way or another, you'll start getting sales. Okay, guys? So, and this is organic. With YouTube, it's organic. So any sale you get there is absolutely free. It didn't cost you anything to get that sale. So just make these videos. Very easy to make. Okay, guys, we're gonna keep it moving here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.